This is the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Monday, the 24th of July. I'm Michael Groff. Active weather in the valley last night. Officially at Sky Harbor Airport, 0.21 of an inch of rain, although many spots saw more than that, especially in the East Valley. Wind gusts in excess of 60 miles per hour occurred as well. Now today, a much different sort of day. Cloudy, much cooler, very muggy, with a chance of showers and thunderstorms pretty much anywhere at any time. We'll see a drying trend, though, coming up for the middle part of the week, followed by another resurgence of monsoon moisture for the weekend. So let's talk about it as we look outside this morning here at 5 a.m. Mostly cloudy and muggy out there. Patches of light rain as well. It's 80 degrees at Sky Harbor. The dew point at 72. Relative humidity 77%. The winds are light and the barometer is rising. Temperatures around the area this morning. The cool spots at Carefree, Fountain Hills, near Superstition Mountain, and in Queen Valley, all checking in at 75. Out toward the West Valley, it's a little bit warmer, where there was slightly less precipitation last night, generally in the lower 80s. Satellite shows most of the state covered by clouds in association with an inverted trough that's moving through the area, and showers lined up from Pima through Pinal, eastern Maricopa, Yavapai, and Gila counties. A few embedded moderate showers, maybe even a rumble of thunder there, and a few scattered showers even in the western part of the state as well, and those will continue through the morning hours. The watch warning map features flash flood watches in northern Arizona, from Flagstaff to the Grand Canyon, Kingman, as well as throughout much of the west, Las Vegas, and through parts of Utah and Colorado, all under flash flood watches through the day today. On the convective outlook, a few marginal risk zones for severe weather, including across the Dakotas and Minnesota, parts of the Mississippi and Tennessee Valley, and in New York, Pennsylvania, New Jersey, eastern Maryland, Delaware, and Virginia today. And the tropics in the East Pacific, pretty active. We've got 3 tropical systems lined up there. First of all, there's Tropical Storm Greg, that is weakening. There's Tropical Storm Irwin, which will likely become a hurricane in the next 24 hours. And we have a new hurricane on the board. There's Hillary. Let's look at that on the satellite. Pretty impressive system there. Now a Category 1 hurricane, maximum sustained winds 75 miles per hour. A continued trek toward the west-northwest is expected for the next few days. Now, that's the official Hurricane Center track, but there are indications that it may make a more northwesterly turn with time, and we'll certainly talk about if this system has any chance of impacting our weather, plus everything else going on around here. We'll look at the models right now. Here's the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock Mountain Standard Time today. High pressure east of the state, a south-southeasterly flow in the mid-levels, and a wrench thrown into the works today in the form of an inverted trough across southern Arizona. So a different sort of day for late July, that's for sure. Mostly cloudy skies in the valley today, and we'll have highs only getting into the low 90s. It will be very muggy, and with the presence of the inverted trough around all the clouds, not going to see a whole lot of heating of the air from the sun. So we're going to have to rely on instability from the inverted trough to trigger showers and storms through the day today, but that is still likely. It's going to be a tricky forecast, as the nature of the showers and storms will be very random and scattered. But you get under one of those and they could produce some locally heavy rain and isolated flash flooding. Look at the precipitable water values across the state. Up around 2.2 inches or so. I mean, that's as high as these values ever get here in Arizona. So the atmosphere is primed for storm development. And this is the high-resolution NAM, the 3-kilometer NAM this afternoon at 2 o'clock. It shows scattered to numerous showers and storms across central Arizona at that time, and a few showers in the western part of the state. I don't think the radar looks exactly like this, and I don't know how much of this is actually going to come to fruition because we have so many clouds around. But certainly, scattered showers will be a possibility, a few thunderstorms, heavy rain, a 50% chance of rain in the valley today. Then, as we head toward tonight, the inverted trough continues to move away from us off to the northwest. As a result, drier air will slowly start to come in, a slight chance of showers in the evening. Then we'll have lows mainly in the mid-70s to mid-80s. Tomorrow, it's a different day again. Mostly sunny skies come back in. Drier air will start to filter into the state as well. And the chance of showers and storms will be confined to mainly the far eastern part of Arizona. I think our chance of rain here in the valley tomorrow is near zero. Highs getting back to around 100 to 103. Really about the same thing on Wednesday. Drier air comes in. Temperatures warm back up to about 103 to 106. And it'll feel a little bit more comfortable humidity-wise, but, of course, with less humidity, temperatures warm up. High pressure building back into the southwest. The flow aloft veers back toward the southeast on Thursday, and high temperatures still in the 104 to 107 range. Humidity levels may start to come back up, But I think our chances of showers and storms would still be pretty minimal here Thursday afternoon and evening. Could see more of a blowing dust type event, though. On Friday, more moisture coming in, better chances of showers and storms getting back here into the valley for the late afternoon and evening hours. Highs 101 to 104. Maybe added moisture from Hurricane Hillary, which is still off your screen at this point, but that's something that we obviously have to keep in the back of our minds. Here's Saturday, and again, monsoon activity going on here. Chances of late afternoon and nighttime showers and storms. Highs upper 90s to 102. Hillary west of the Baja at this point, taking a much more easterly track than has been previously advertised on the models. So that obviously is a concern, but at this point, I still think the impacts from this system will be very minimal on our weather. Here's Sunday, and Hillary west of the Baja Spur weakening as it does, but that's something that's kind of interesting. And monsoon activity continues. Chances of late afternoon and nighttime showers and storms in the valley. Highs upper 90s to 102. This is a week from today, Monday, the 31st of July. What a weird pattern. Strong upper high near Bermuda. Another big upper high here over the southwest. In between, a cutoff low across the southeastern United States, centered roughly over the Tennessee Valley. That's unusual. And there's Hillary, whatever's left of it, the remnant circulation thereof, approaching the Southern California coast. Needless to say, this is a pretty anomalous solution and kind of hard to buy into, but if it by chance happens to verify, we'd still have at least a slight chance of showers and storms here in the valley, albeit pretty minimal, and better chances of rain maybe in Southern California. Here's Tuesday, the 1st of August. Again, the anomalous pattern continues. The low across the southeast retrogrades a bit to the west, as does the high here over the southwest. We'd be drier if this verifies, as high pressure would be sitting right on top of us, and probably warmer too, with highs pushing up toward around 105 to 109. Here's the end of the forecast period, Wednesday, the 2nd of August. High pressure, that's a 597 ridge now, sitting here across the southwest. So temperatures, again, above normal likely, 106 to 110. And dry conditions. That's if that verifies, and there's certainly a lot of question marks there as we go into the extended forecast. Check out the temperatures coming off of the GFS ensemble. We get back to near normal by the middle part of the week, and then next week the potential of much warmer conditions above normal temperatures looks at least possible at this point. Still a lot of question marks though. And that'll do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. Our next video comes back here tomorrow morning. Thanks as always so much for watching. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe to us. That way every time we post a brand new video, you'll get the notifications. And be safe out there. I'm going to go run through the rain. And have a great Monday.